Hello, welcome back to the Stay Fitness channel. If you're new to this channel, my name is Daniela. I'm a fitness, nutrition and life coach specialized in obesity and diabetes management. So today's video, I finally tried the super viral recipe from Keto Asian Flavours, her recipe for noodles made out of thin air basically. It's basically molecular cooking. It's made with a liquid, which is water, then some type of protein, which I use whole egg powder. You can use like chicken and other stuff. She also uses kelp for some other noodles. And then this sodium alginate, which is basically an extract from seaweed, so it's nothing weird. Then you make them solid by dipping in this calcium lactate bath. And also calcium lactate is what they use to make cheese. So if you ever had cheese, you had like calcium lactate. So again, nothing weird, nothing like it's not like something super chemical, artificial. It's just substances that you probably have anyway, because they are in many foods. And so yeah, I thought I'd give it a go. I bought the ingredients from Amazon. They were only like 8 quid for like both the ingredients. And so yeah, it's been a bit of an adventure, but every video I watched, everyone succeeded the first try. So I thought I think it's fair to do a video when things don't go as well as planned. I followed the recipe to the T. So first attempt, I put 2 tablespoons of sodium alginate, like she said, but my sodium alginate is like another level potent, because it literally was pudding, like super thick pudding. I tried to I keep adding water and water, but it's so thick. I throw away, I put it down the toilet. I was so worried it would clog up the toilet. And then I made a second batch, which I managed to, it was still really thick, but I still managed to put into the squeezy bag and make some sort of noodle. But I didn't get from her videos, correct me if I'm wrong, that you need to let the noodles set for an hour. Like the setting time, I found it on the video from Seriously Keto. He tried them out, he made them with chicken, and that's the first time I heard about the 1 hour setting period. I don't know if I missed it, was in another video, but I watched both the kelp video and the one that she makes with yolk powder, and I don't know if I overheard, I don't know. But yeah, so it was all it was all like melt, it didn't set basically, so I thought I was doing something wrong. I throw it away, call it a day. So this is the day after my third attempt. I put just 2 teaspoons of the sodium alginate, and it was still pretty thick, so I added a bit more water, and then I put it into the fridge. I don't know why, but my butter, every time I put it in the fridge, it thickens up so much. So I think next time it's just gonna be a teaspoon of this sodium. So I was barely able to put into the squeezy bag, but then I made something. I wasn't able to make like the whole string noodle. I don't know why I can't do that. Like I keep squeezing, but they break. But yeah, I let them set for an hour. Mine didn't set, like they set, but they're really soft. I absolutely did not need to do the softening process. But they were already super soft, like overcooked pasta a little bit. But I thought, okay, I'll just try it out. I put some bolognese sauce and made some sort of pasta dish. I tried a bit, but I'm gonna try now on camera. I need a bit of troubleshooting, like why did this thing happen. I don't know if she did a troubleshooting video. I think she did an answering question video, so maybe I'll watch that. But yeah, please comment below and give me a bit of a troubleshooting. Let me know your thoughts. This is a bit like that protein sparing bread recipe that everyone needs to join in and give all the tips of how to do it, and then we'll find a way because it looks so easy, and everyone that has tried it has succeeded the first time. I don't know why but that's usually me. Like, I always fail the first time I try a recipe. I have to like try and read tips and stuff like that. So I hope at least someone is the same as me. But let's give you a taste. Like, it's just like, it's good. The fact is, it doesn't taste of anything. So and to be honest, unless you buy like really good quality pasta generally, if you don't salt it and stuff, it doesn't really taste much. If you make like homemade fresh pasta or buy some like Napolitan pasta, those have a really good flavor on its own. But I've been gluten-free for years now, so it's not like I'm already used to having pasta that doesn't exactly taste amazing. And soft noodles like this, usually we have them in broth. They're like homemade, so yeah, it's not bad. It's not bad at all. There's definitely potential. I just want to understand how to do it properly, and then I think it could be like amazing, because more than like Italian dishes, I miss noodles for like Asian recipes. I love stir-fry noodles in broth and stuff, soups and stuff like that. But yeah, also spag bowl, wouldn't complain about that. So yeah, please comment below, let me know your tips, let me know if you had similar problems as me. I hope I'm not the only one. But yeah, I thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. I'm getting close to 1,000 subscribers. So please subscribe, share my videos, watch them till the end, comment and all that, help a girl out. I thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.